Trying to finish up this rig for my buddy on a Saturday. This is an old lift. She don't like heavy stuff like this. Exhaust keeps losing its hangers. We've welded it on, it's ripped off, it's broken off. Oh yeah, 2 spots. Did a stereo swap in this rig for him. Took out a factory cassette deck that the stereo didn't work at all, and put in a factory AM/FM no cassette deck. Okay. We're not cleaning up the rust. We fixed a few things on this thing yesterday. Heat, the stereo. We'll get this exhaust back up there. I'm just gonna turn the heat up and give us some. And maybe add another fresh hanger. Oh, look at that. The mask ain't gonna fly. Need enough room up here. Oh yeah, that's a good view though. Get in there, close your eyes and do it. All right. All right, yeah. Oh, look at that. Good visual. Woof. Ah, oh, geez, you can't see. Ah. Little sparks, baby, getting you. Oh, jeez. Fire. Skin's on fire. Got it. Got it. That thing ain't. Dude, that's nice. That's gonna work. That's gonna work. We like our big blocks loud.